Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
You're trying to find the View tab in Outlook, and it's a very common question for users who want to customize their email experience. This tab is essential for changing how your Outlook window appears, from the layout of your inbox to the size of your text. The View tab is consistently located at the top of your Outlook application window, as a key part of the main ribbon interface. To find it, first open your Outlook program. Then, direct your attention to the very top section of the window, just below the title bar where it says Outlook. You will see a series of main menu tabs running horizontally. These tabs usually begin with a file, followed by Home, Send/Receive, and a folder. Immediately after these, you will clearly see the View a tab. Simply click on the View a tab, and the ribbon below it will transform, displaying a wide array of tools and options specifically designed for visual customization. From this tab, you can easily modify your reading pane's position, choose to show or hide the to-do bar, alter the arrangement of your message list, adjust the current view of your mail or calendar, and even zoom in or out on your content. It's your central hub for controlling the visual organization and display of all your emails, calendar entries, and contacts within Outlook. So, whenever you need to tweak the presentation of your information or organize your workspace visually, remember to navigate directly to the View a tab on the top ribbon. It's always there, providing powerful options to make Outlook perfectly suit your personal preferences and improve your daily workflow.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.